Hello again. This is Manse. We're going to do the second video for today, and I'll leave you guys. Uh, so the topic here is how I pass my Amazon Web Service Certified Cloud Practitioner exam. So let me give you some tips. It might be very helpful for people who are planning to take it, or for a new candidate or other candidate who already took it and they failed it. All right, I'll put some music here so we can go with the flow. AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner. At something cloud industry is something I like too much. My dream was to become a cloud engineer, cloud architect, dealing creating S3 bucket, creating environment, dealing with Cloud 9, and you know, working with VPC is how to set them down, how to transfer data, onboarding, do outbounding configuration, do infrastructure architecture for end users. So that was my dream. And I'm going to tell you, after my master degree, this dream has become a true. So I landed a job in the cloud industry, and I'm going to tell you the secret of passing the exam. First thing I'm going to tell you is the exam itself is very important if you want to have a job in cloud field. The exam is very important because a lot of recruiter, not only recruiter, but even the company will require you to have those certification, because the certification itself just is a good indicator that you have knowledge and you understand concept on a specific field. So that's why we got to take it. And I know it might be challenging for some people, it might be very easy for others. That's why we are sharing, sharing ideas, and hope that it might help the community or everyone to pass the exam. So my experience on taking that exam is, first thing I did was, in my school there was a class specifically dealing with the AWS. And that class, I spent it with my professor, giving me some homework, some assignments, some labs. And I went through those labs. And through those labs, I understand concept. Concept was the keys, you know. Concept is the key in this exam. If you understand the concept, if they change the question, whatever they change the question, you automatically know that, okay, concept, I mean, the question is, the solution is this. So after taking that class, I went myself through Amazon console, try to do some small lab, analytics and whatever, be comfortable with the Amazon cloud console. And after that, I went to some platform like WizLab, like Udemy. I pay some, some exam courses in Udemy and in Cloud Guru. But I'm going to tell you, both Udemy and Cloud Guru was very helpful. I'm telling you, they helped me a lot to pass this exam. So they have lab section in Udemy. So you need to go through those lab section. And there is something I'm going to tell you: be patient. Don't rush out. If you rush out, you'll be missing the part, the important piece of this. And you will finish studying. You will have go through a lot of resources, but you go to exam, you go to fail it because you wasn't patient a lot to be able to understand those concepts. And once you understand concept, I'm telling you, this exam going to be, you're going to just sit down and click, 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 click. Because anytime you start reading the question, at the middle of the question, you automatically know, expecting to know, the answer is, it pop up. You don't need to read all the questions. It come out easily. So, couple idea I gonna add also is know the right material. Don't just go in the marketplace, jump okay to find any book which is AWS, you just buy it. You will waste your money, you will waste your time. You need to talk with people who already passed this exam. They will tell you, okay, this is the right material to study. But I'm going to tell you also, some people go to take the oldest version of those material. Like they go to Udemy, go to find, okay, here is the exam bank, or here's the exam study. They go to take a used material or oldest version, where Amazon no longer dealing with those version. And you go ahead in the exam, go to sit down and see, wow, a lot of questions came with new concept, and you are confused, and you go to fail the exam. So make sure you update yourself in terms of resources. If this year is 2022, make sure you select version 2022. Last year was 2021. You make sure you buy in the material of 2021. You're not going to buy material version of 2019 and expect to go to pass this exam. It's going to be challenging for yourself. Because let me tell you, cloud grow also. They grow. Every day we are dealing with cloud. Every day new concepts are coming and new things are coming. So they're not just going to keep only, the oldest academic material. They're going to update it. They're going to change it. So you need to be updating yourself to be able to pass those exams comfortably. So I'm going to stop here, not wasting your time. I think everything I have shared with you is a lot. And if you take my advice, you will easily pass this exam. It's very easy exam. I'm going to tell you, I passed this exam less than 20 minutes. 20 minutes, I passed this exam and I finished it. All right. Thank you and have a wonderful day.